Good day everyone, we are the Group 5 and we are here to present our study. But before starting this presentation, let me introduce the researchers of Group 5. I am Hani Amricadep, the leader, and here are my co-researchers.
Alyssa May Di Castro, Jesselyn Nobleza, Frageline Rogelio, Mark Lawrence Lampas, and Giancarlo Plata.
This study is about exploring students' in-depth learning difficulties in problem-solving mathematics of the selected students of grade 11 STEM students. The main objective of the study is to teach the students to study hard so that they can fully understand about problem-solving mathematics.
Researchers study about this topic because they are also experiencing difficulties in learning problem-solving mathematics as a STEM student at Landi National High School.
Problem solving is a big part in our life, not only in mathematics, but also in our daily living. Problem solving helps students to challenge their mathematical understanding and to fully understand it. It is necessary to apply it properly. Many students in the Philippines say that mathematics is the most difficult subject, especially when it comes to problem solving. A big question, especially for STEM students, is how they face this kind of problem. However, why are STEM students grappling with this problem that should be simple for them? Especially because their strength is STEM that focuses more on mathematics. According to Ahan Ali, December 25, 2018, students find difficulty in math problem solving because of lack of practice, focused problem teaching method.
This study aims to answer the following questions. 1. What are the students' bases to conclude that mathematics is the most challenging subject in STEM? 2. What are the students need to improve their skills in problem solving in mathematics? 3. How do the students find their ways to get through the difficulties in problem solving in mathematics?
This study is supposed to benefit with the following. To Landi National High School students, it can give them awareness with their coping strategies to the difficulties they are experiencing in problem solving. In mathematics, it can help the students to excel in any difficult academic platform. To the teachers, it can give significant plan to the educators to improve the teaching learning process in mathematics and how it can be implemented so the teachers embrace its use. To the family of the students, this can give awareness to them about their children and what challenges their children encounter in school, for them to know what could be the self-discipline and self-motivation that they could apply to their children. To the government and educational institutions, they can give a certain methods, interventions, or solutions for every educational institution, as well as the government in providing assistance to students, parents, and teachers who are having difficulties in the new learning modality.
The next chapter presents literature in reading taken from the books, journals, and related websites from the internet. It will serve as the basis of study exploring students' in-depth learning difficulties in problem-solving mathematics of selected students at Landi National High School. This includes the reason and effect of difficulties in problem-solving mathematics. This will also present the synthesis of the study.
STEM education-related studies. Education is a process of changing attitude through individual learning. Education primarily aims to create well-educated citizens who can compete on a worldwide scale for pupils. 3. Education is a key component in developing human resources. Future predictions call for STEM integration as a suitable learning strategy. According to study of Hofstein and Luneta and Fadel, students should be able to demonstrate 21st century talents like strong academic performance, problem-solving skills, cooperation, innovation, and creativity. Most of the senior high school students experiencing difficulties in learning mathematics, especially that it is not familiar when they are in junior high school. Due to the self-learning for almost 3 years, the teachers did not expect their student to have a huge knowledge about mathematics. The role of those teachers in preparing children for
Solving related studies. According to Koirinya and Husama, 2018, problem solving is a process of finding a solution to achieve certain goals. Both routine and non-routine problems can be solved through problem solving, which is a planned procedure that must be followed. Students are taught problem-solving techniques to help them identify solutions to specific arithmetic problems and select the most acceptable ones. Systematically, the three values of utilitarian, logical, and aesthetic can be used to demonstrate the significance of problem solving. Over the past few decades, there has been an increase in the development of teacher preparation programs all over the world. According to the National Council for Accreditation of Teachers' Education, there are two components that prove critically important in teachers' preparation. Teacher knowledge of the subject to be taught, the knowledge and skill in teaching that subject. GROUP5, 1982, describes problem solving as being at the heart of mathematics education, emphasizing the importance of students developing problem solving skills. The students do their best to learn about mathematics even though they know that they have a small knowledge about problem solving of mathematics.
The researchers therefore conclude that STEM students experiencing difficulties when it comes to problem solving in mathematics. According to data findings, it showed that most of the STEM students lack in many mathematics skills such as number fact, visual, spatial, and information skills. The deficiency of these mathematics skills and also of cognitive abilities in learning inhibits the mathematics problem solving. Mathematics is more difficult than other subjects. The researchers have found related reviews regarding the difficulties of STEM students when it comes to problem solving. The aforementioned RRL will help the researcher to have basis and information about the study.
Qualitative research is used by the researcher according to the Quizwell 1994. Qualitative research is a comprehensive method that includes discovery. Qualitative research is non-numerical and descriptive. It focuses on the students' personal thoughts, opinions, and experience. This research study falls under the phenomenology study. It seeks to understand and describe the universal essence of phenomenon.
The study will be conducted at Landing National High School. The said area was chosen for a reason of having a pandemic and also for being all students of the said area. Moreover, the researcher also noticed that there are some issues related to the study. This study targets the selected student of grade 11 STEM to know their own experience, perception, and option regarding difficulties in problem solving in mathematics, especially in pre-calculus and general mathematics.
This study highly embraced and practiced high ethical considerations. The anonymity of the participants was strictly observed through the use of identifier or pseudonym. The purpose of the study, its procedures, and outcomes were clearly explained to the participants. It was emphasized that participation in this study is purely voluntary and no monetary compensation involved. Permission from the school principal was also secured. Parental consent allowing the participants to be part of this research was also required. An informed consent was signed by the participant of the study. All information and data collected were original, properly transcribed. Verified by the participants, underwent peer debriefing and no making up of data or alteration of results. Appropriate words were carefully used in translating the interview responses.